Have you ever looked at something hanging in your closet and thought, I don't really want to wear this anymore, but I'm definitely not ready to get rid of either? That's exactly where upcycling can get really fun, because sometimes a piece of clothing doesn't need to be replaced, it just needs a completely different idea. A little fabric, some lace, an unexpected detail, or even a creative change to the shape can turn something ordinary into a piece you would never find hanging on a store rack. And some of the transformations we're looking at today are so creative that they might have you reconsidering a few things in your own closet. Fair warning, after enough upcycling inspiration, getting rid of clothes becomes surprisingly difficult because suddenly everything has potential. I found today's ideas while browsing Pinterest. And I've included a link in the description to the Pinterest board so you can take a closer look at the original inspiration and save any ideas you might want to try later. As you're watching, I'd also love for you to choose the transformation that inspires you the most and vote for your favorite in the comments. Once we reach around 100 total votes in the comments, I may recreate the winning idea with my own creative twist in a future video. And while we're looking through all of these upcycled clothing ideas today, I also have a story to share with you. I'm not going to give anything away just yet, but it's one of those upcycling stories that reminds me why the creative process can sometimes take you somewhere you absolutely weren't expecting to go. We'll get into that story in just a little bit, but for now, let's start looking at today's upcycling inspiration and see which idea earns your vote. And that brings me to the story I mentioned earlier, because this particular project taught me that sometimes the mistake you're desperately trying to hide can end up giving you an idea you never would have considered otherwise. I was standing in front of the mirror, staring at the bottom of a dress, and there was absolutely no pretending I couldn't see it. One side was noticeably shorter than the other. I pulled it down, adjusted the waist, took it off, laid it flat, put it back on again, as though somehow the dress might reconsider what it had done. It did not. And the worst part was that I knew exactly who was responsible. Me. But let me back up, because the project had actually started out incredibly well. I'd found a simple thrifted dress that fit nicely through the top, but the length and overall style felt dated. I decided shortening it and adding a few creative details would completely change the look. I carefully marked where I wanted the new hem, cut away the extra fabric, and started sewing. Everything seemed fine until I tried it on. That's when I realized my supposedly straight hem had somehow become a downhill ski slope. If you enjoy hearing these upcycling stories while discovering new ideas, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss future inspiration. took the dress off and measured again, hoping there was enough fabric left to simply straighten the bottom. There wasn't. Fixing the shorter side would mean cutting the entire dress even shorter, and that was absolutely not the look I wanted. I considered adding fabric around the whole bottom, but everything I tried made it look like an obvious repair. After spending all that time transforming a dress I had been genuinely excited about, I was starting to think one crooked cut had ruined the entire thing. Then I put it on one last time, stopped trying to imagine how I could make the hem straight, and started wondering what would happen if I made it even more uneven. Once I stopped thinking of the uneven hem as something I had to correct, I started seeing possibilities instead of a mistake. I put the dress on again and pinned one side slightly higher, then gradually angled the hem toward the longer side. At first, I wasn't convinced. In fact, there was a brief moment when I wondered if I was about to turn one crooked hem into an even bigger disaster. But after adjusting the angle a few times, something changed. Instead of looking accidentally uneven, the bottom suddenly looked intentionally asymmetrical, and the dress had movement and personality it hadn't had before. I used some of the fabric I'd originally cut away to create a small coordinating detail near the higher side of the hem, which helped make the whole design feel deliberate. When I finally tried it on again, I actually liked the dress more than I had before I made the mistake. The crooked hem hadn't ruined the project at all. It had forced me to stop trying to recreate the picture I'd originally had in my head and come up with something completely different. And I think that's one of the best things about upcycling. You don't always have to undo a mistake. Sometimes you can design around it and let it become part of what makes the finished piece unique. If today's ideas have given you a little inspiration of your own, don't forget to vote in the comments for your favorite transformation. And if you're ready for even more creativity, I have upcycling tutorials and playlists here on my channel filled with projects and inspiration you can explore next. You can also find clothing and other items I'm ready to pass along in my vintage shop, which I've linked in the description. Be sure to check out the video on your screen for even more upcycling inspiration. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, and remember, the next time a creative project goes a little crooked, it might just be giving you a better idea.